press here. Avoid buzzing. Tip, keep your fingertip just behind the fret, straight up and down. Too far back. Hear that buzz? Slide forward. Clean. Quick drill. 5 reps. Here we go. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Nice. Practice 1 minute a day. Guitar quick tips.
Here's after, using a light palm and index touch. Practice this loop 5 times slowly, then build up your speed. See you in the next tip.